Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Boiler Fix. I've been asked to have a look at these two Viessmann boilers, commercial boilers. One's not working and the other one is. It's got no display on it. We're going to diagnose this and we're going to repair this and I'm going to be sharing that with you in this video. Okay, now we've got two boilers in this commercial building. One of the boilers is working fine, the other one isn't. They're exactly the same boilers. The problem here is we've got display issues on this one. I'm going to take the board off the other one that's working just to test it out in case there's any other issues. Okay. What we got on this one, the display board wasn't working on it. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this board out and put it on that one and see why it's not resetting. Once we got this one reset, at least we know if there's a component that's gone, but we're going to have to, I thought it's just a display board, but it's not, it's complete board man on this. So we might have to change the whole board on it, but let's see what happens when I change it and if there's anything on there. I think I need one of those head cams now. I think I'm going to take my thingy, you know. There you go. A flat screwdriver. There you go, darling. Why am I using that when I can use my hands? Yeah. So the display board on this is gone. But I was hoping I could just change the board display on it, but I can't. The whole board is screwed. So let's just go this way. This one here. And just put this one on. And then we'll see what's happening on it.
बंद करो
Okay, let's wire it up in it, and then we can know what's going on with it.
बंद करो
No pictures.
This one's
Is it complicated?
yes.
How is it complicated?
There's not it's too much worry, man.
I need to go and get my screwdriver from the corner. The proper one. See, this is why I've done mistake, isn't it? Okay, that's done. That one goes there. That goes there. Why am I putting there? You know. Does it matter which earth it goes with?
Picture.
Oh, give me the picture actually.
No, you should zoom here.
That's the way it's gonna be. Might as well put them in right now. There you go. So it says, hold on, man, hold on. You know this one goes here, yeah? No, this one goes here. And this one goes. This one goes here. This one goes. Okay, and this one goes out of here. And put this one here. Right, that's everything's sorted. Right. Okay, might do put on. Hopefully not. Okay, this one's okay. Okay, this one's working fine now. I think the board is gone. Let me go and tell him. How am I going to get a board for this? Thank you, boss. I'm not your Facebook. What's your company called? So guys, if your boiler is broken down, if your boiler breaks down in around Moseley areas, South Birmingham or South Birmingham, give Safeway Heating a call. I'll put the number on there.
Give me a straight.
Oh, here. I'm sure I've got money in there. What else? I mean, cold in there. Choose the again. It's a much more comfortable one. So we're gonna have to put the working board back into this boiler. The customer wants this boiler working more priority than that one. So I'm gonna just put that one back in, and which I don't really need to because I'm gonna have to take it back out again. So I'm gonna probably leave that one. Chal, Miki jaan de, I'm gonna put it down. I'm gonna put that.
Go ahead.
Iski karna to kya?
So you tested it?
That should have been there, didn't it?
Well, we come back with the strip again.
Okay, let's put this one back up. When you take it in?
See that there? See that? Jane? See this here? See
Yeah,
this
I'm
tab?
push it.
No, there too, look. There.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Lift it up.
Better position.
So that water and rest on it.
So this one looks not much newer though, isn't it? Okay, that's sorted, yeah. Now, how am I? This goes here.
Bumper.
No, look here. I know this. This goes here. I remember it much. This in there. This one here. This is the earth. Okay, this is the earth. And this one here. Yes. This one's earth as well, so I can use them. This one here. Here. And here. Here. Okay. These are live and neutral for mains. So the blue one is, what's the blue one, bro? What's the blue one?
Neutral.
Huh?
Neutral.
Yeah. Why do I always do the hard ones first? This should do the trick. A bit late to check if the voltage is up. Yes. Is that the only thing we get?
Yeah, and that wire.
Here, going to put that one here.
Yeah, this one here.
And where's this one? And that's sorted. Is there anything else? Right guys, sorted that out. It's all, the display's working, the circuit board's working on it, so it's all working fine. That's it. Anyway, if your boiler's broken down, Birmingham, give us a call. Birmingham Boiler Fix. That's not funny.